You've probably heard of hydrogen, often portrayed as a harmful substance. But while hydrogen can be dangerous, a particular version of it could actually save our future. Let's take a closer look at this special kind of hydrogen, green hydrogen. What is green hydrogen and why is it so important? First, let's understand what green hydrogen is. Hydrogen is one of the most abundant elements in the universe. But green hydrogen is much more special than regular hydrogen. We produce it by splitting water using electricity. And the key here is that this electricity comes entirely from clean, renewable energy sources like the sun and wind. This means there's no carbon emissions during the production process, making it one of our most powerful tools in the fight against climate change. Advantages of green hydrogen: zero carbon emissions. Its biggest advantage is that it produces no carbon emissions when used. Unlike fossil fuels, green hydrogen doesn't release any harmful gases into the atmosphere. High energy density. It can store a large amount of energy in a small volume, making it very convenient for transportation and storage. Versatility. It can be used in many applications, from generating electricity and powering vehicles to industrial processes and heating. Flexibility for the energy system. Renewable energy sources can have fluctuating output. Green hydrogen can help balance these fluctuations, making the energy system more flexible. How is green hydrogen produced? Green hydrogen production is based on a simple principle. We split water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. And as mentioned earlier, this electricity comes entirely from renewable sources. Water molecules are split into hydrogen and oxygen gases using an electric current. The electrical energy used in the electrolysis process is obtained from renewable sources like solar, wind, or hydroelectric power. The produced hydrogen is stored using various methods and made ready for use when needed. Green hydrogen has the potential to shape the future of the energy sector. However, there are still some challenges to overcome, such as high production costs, insufficient storage infrastructure, and certain technical difficulties. So how can we overcome these challenges? Technological advancements. Improvements in electrolysis technologies will reduce production costs and make green hydrogen more widespread. Research and development. New and more efficient hydrogen storage methods are being studied. Government support. Governments need to develop policies that encourage the production and use of green hydrogen. Conclusion. Green hydrogen is a promising energy source for a clean and sustainable future. In the coming years, the role of green hydrogen in our energy system will grow. Both governments and the private sector need to support the development of this technology. What do you think about green hydrogen? Do you believe this technology is important for our future?